After learning how to read and export the data in Pandas, it's time to learn how to use head and tail in Pandas. So we will start with the head. Head function in Pandas is used to display first 5 rows of the data set. So basically what it does, by default it displays the first 5 rows, but if you will provide ID number as a parameter, then that number of rows will be displayed. So in this example you can see that first of all we have imported pandas as PD, and then we have read the file. After that we have used df.head. So head by default has displayed only 5 rows, first 5 rows. But in the next cell you can see that when we have provided a customized argument, like here we have provided 6. So top 6 rows has been displayed. So let's go ahead and see how we can implement this on our pandas. So this is the data set. Now I'll just type df.head. So this will give me a quick glance of the data set. So top 5 rows has been displayed. In case if I want more, then I can just type 10, 12, whatever the value I want. Now you can see 10 rows has been displayed. Similar thing is performed by the tail, but tail displays bottom 5 rows of the data set. So over here you can see that 2199, 2198, 2197, these rows has been displayed, and you can also provide a customized input in that, and depending upon that the output will be displayed. So let's go ahead and see this. So df.tail, everything will be in a lowercase. So I'll just shift enter, and now you can see that the last row is 2199 followed by 2198, 297, 96, 95 has been displayed. If I want to display custom data, then I can just simply go ahead and type the number of rows that I want from the last. So now here you can see that. In this way we have learned how to use head and tail in pandas.